Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best beignets. Start by activating your yeast with warm water and a touch of sugar. This ensures a fluffy texture. Next, incorporate milk, more sugar, a couple of eggs, and some melted butter to enrich the dough. Gradually mix in your flour and a pinch of salt, then knead it until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic. Finally, let this beautiful dough rise in a cozy, warm spot for about 60 minutes, or until it has doubled in size. This initial step is crucial for light, airy beignets. Once your dough has risen, gently roll it out to a thickness of about 1/4 inch. Then, using a sharp knife or a pastry wheel, cut the dough into uniform 2-inch squares or rectangles. Now, for the fun part, heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to a precise 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few beignets into the hot oil, frying them for just 1 to 2 minutes per side, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown hue. As soon as your beignets are perfectly golden, carefully remove them from the oil and place them on a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. This keeps them from becoming greasy. While they are still warm, and I mean *warm*, generously dust them with a cloud of powdered sugar. The heat helps the sugar adhere beautifully. Serve these delightful treats immediately. They are truly best enjoyed fresh, perhaps with a cup of coffee or rich hot chocolate. For the best results, remember not to overcrowd your frying pot. This helps maintain a consistent oil temperature, ensuring even cooking. Always use a reliable thermometer to keep your oil at precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. When dusting, sift your powdered sugar for a beautifully smooth and even coating. And finally, the most important tip: enjoy your beignets immediately after frying and dusting. They are truly at their peak when warm and fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.